United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 281, procedure where no settlement has been reached by the parties. 1. If the states parties, which are parties to a dispute concerning the interpretation or application of this convention, have agreed to seek settlement of the dispute by a peaceful means of their own choice, the procedures provided for in this part apply only where no settlement has been reached by recourse to such means and the agreement between the parties does not exclude any further procedure. 2. If the parties have also agreed on a time limit, paragraph 1 applies only upon the expiration of that time limit.